So I make 4 crores per year with my coaching program without running any ads, just from my YouTube itself, which is around 51,000 subscribers at the moment, where I post one video every single week. So if you are a course creator, coach or a consultant, the best way to grow your business is by growing your YouTube. Now the advice on growing your YouTube on YouTube is completely irrelevant if you are a business owner. So, which is why me having been made more than 700 videos on my YouTube and generating millions, in few minutes I am going to show you a serious content strategy with which you can keep getting leads and sales for your business with YouTube. BEM content strategy with which you can consistently keep making content on YouTube every single week. And also in this video I'll show you how you can optimize your YouTube description, because most of the beginners do this mistake, because of which even they get thousands of views on their video, they will fail to make any money on YouTube. See, most of the beginners, what they basically do is, when they start their YouTube channel with the goal in a mind to sell their digital product, right? Which may be their course or else one-on-one coaching program, whatever it may be. So what they basically do is they follow the big YouTubers and they start to create videos on their YouTube explaining different strategies and giving a call to action to their digital product, which we also call as VSL, which is video sales letter. Now, problem in that is, of course, if you are a big YouTuber, if you have like more than 500,000 subscribers and every single video of yours is getting 50,000 views, especially quality views, then it's fine. Then you can post one VSL every single week and give call to action then and there itself and generate leads and convert them. But if you are a beginner starting your YouTube channel, that will not give you expected results. Instead of that, what you have to do is, you have to do one video, one deep dive video, which we also call as a course video, where you explain each and everything about your niche, right? You educate them, you convert your audience from unaware to solution aware. That is where your audience will make a decision to purchase your digital product to solve their problem. So one video you make on your YouTube channel, which is deep dive video, explaining most of the things. Then what you have to do is, every single week you have to post one video explaining any strategies, 1 or 2 strategies, and in that video you basically give call to action to that particular video, which is a deep dive video. So by doing that, after a couple of months, you will be gather audience which are hot, which are basically solution aware, which will be a right fit for your digital product. So if you already don't know, it takes 7 hours for a person to make a decision to purchase a digital product, right? So that is what your goal should be when you are starting out your YouTube channel. So basically you keep making content and thus you convert your cold audience into hot. See, if you start making one video, like one VSL videos, immediately starting your YouTube channel, what you basically do is, of course you can gather a lot of leads, but the problem is that the leads will be not qualified, means you cannot convert those leads. So your goal with YouTube is not to generate leads, basically to generate sales for your digital product. That you have to keep in your mind. And especially starting out, you have to make your sales process very easily. So you will be the only person working on your business. So the sales process should be easier. It should not be like, you are generating cold audience and you are investing more and more time to following up with your audience, with your leads through WhatsApp or else email, which eats lot of your time. Instead of that, you can use that particular time to create more and more content on your YouTube, where you can easily convert your audience from cold to hot and from unaware to solution aware, which is what I do basically on my YouTube channel as well. So this is my e-commerce YouTube channel. You can see Ron Ecomgen, and I have around 51,000 subscribers as well. So where I basically, every single week I make a video there. And recently, the video which I was talking about, the deep dive video, a course video, that is what I did actually. So the latest video, if you see, it's 9 days ago, advanced Amazon FBA course. So my niche is e-commerce, Amazon FBA. People who are interested to do this particular business, watch my YouTube channel, and those are my ideal audience. And also my digital product, which is one-on-one coaching, it's related to Amazon FBA only. So what I have did is, so past couple of weeks, I've been doing this, explaining different strategies, mindset related videos, roadmaps, hacks and all, where I will give call to action to this particular video, which is more than 3 hours basically. And here I have given multiple call to action. So obviously if your audience watch these couple of videos, like strategy videos like 4 to 5, and then they watch this deep dive, and then if he book a call with us, so it will, the more likely that he will purchase our digital product, right? So that is what we actually do every 3 to 4 months on this particular YouTube channel. And if we see our Razorpay dashboard as well, so in the last 7 days itself, we made around 1,16,000. Actually, this video uploaded, it's been 9 days, right? If you see that, so we have generated around 1,78,000 5,000 just from one single video itself. One single advanced Amazon FBA course video, which is completely a deep dive video on Amazon FBA. And there we have converted our audience, right? So this is what you have to actually do if you are starting out with a new channel, where basically you put series of content explaining different strategies about your niche, and you will give a call to action to one single video, one deep dive video, where you will be giving multiple call to action. And from there, if your audience book a call with you, more likely they will be purchasing your digital product. So this is what we call series content strategies, and very few people in this particular niche are using it right now. So if you are starting out your YouTube channel with a goal in a mind to sell your course or else one-on-one coaching, with this content strategy is what you have to start with. And one more thing what I have to mention here is, if you are a beginner, go for high ticket. You should not go for a low ticket or else mid ticket. You have to obviously go for high ticket, which will be your one-on-one coaching, where you will be working closely with your clients, giving them results, right? Where you basically will be giving your time, whether it may be in Zoom call or else Google Meet, where you will be helping your clients, right? That is what you have to do. And you, of course, you will be charging more also, so that will be high ticket. So don't go with like simple course or else community with a low ticket product, because if you are going with high ticket product, let's say your high ticket product $2,000, now with that pricing you only need 5 clients per month to make $10,000, right? So which will be much more easier. Let's say if you are making a digital product for $100-$200 and you need number of clients, and the sales process also will be very hectic, which eats lot of your time. You cannot focus on making more and more content on your YouTube channel. So that is why go with high ticket product, especially when you are just starting out. So for this series content strategy to work, you have to be posting videos every single week consistently, right? Which is very hard. If you are a beginner, it's very hard to come up with ideas. That is where this BEM content strategy comes into play. So BEM content strategy, basically 3 types of video. B stands for broad, E stands for educational, and M stands for mindset. So broad content, so which is B, right? So broad content, basically the whole goal with this particular content will be bringing audience to your channel, bringing broad audience, bringing large set of audience to your channel. And then comes E, which is educational content. So here you do content to build authority, to build credibility, to take your audience from unaware to solution aware. And the solution will be your product, of course, your digital product. And then comes M, which is mindset content. Here you make yourself unique from other YouTubers. Basically give a reason for your audience why they have to buy your digital product compared with other YouTubers. So this is what BEM content strategy stands for. I will show you with an example as well. So if you see my channel, it's loaded with BEM content, which is broad, educational, and mindset. So let me give an example of broad content. So broad content, since we are targeting broad audience, obviously the views on that particular video will be very high. But these are not the videos which will actually make you more sales, right? Because there will be lot of audience who just getting started. They don't know what they want to do basically. So that's why your videos also, the thumbnail will attract a broad audience. So that's why you'll be getting lot of views, but you cannot convert in that particular video itself, so that your audience again go ahead and purchase your digital product. So for example of broad content, you can see here, which is easiest 1% business model to escape rat race. So here I have not mentioned anything about Amazon FBA, e-commerce, nothing like that. So easiest 1% business model to escape rat race. So obviously it is targeting a broad audience who want to make money online, right? They don't want to do their job. They're fed up with their job and they just want to start their 1% business, which they can basically do it from their home. So that kind of broad topic I am targeting here. I have not mentioned anything about Amazon FBA, but of course in this content itself, obviously I will be taking them from completely broad, from completely unaware to product aware. Basically, I will tell them in the end that you have to start your own business, and the best business that you can start with is e-commerce, Amazon FBA, which they can do it with their resources, which they can do it from their home itself. They just need internet and laptop. They just need this limited amount of investment. So this will be a broad content. This is the example of a broad content. So educational content, I will give an example for that as well, which is here. You can see here, create your $1 million business on Amazon USA, or else how to create your Amazon seller account. I made 5 crore on Amazon. And there are plenty of educational content. Here you can see, can I write product 1 on Amazon? And here you can see 5 psychological hacks to get thousands of sales on Amazon. right? I'll be explaining them 5 psychological hacks which we can do while creating the listing on main image, bullet points. So basically, they, who all want to sell their product on Amazon, they have to create their listing, right? So I'll be explaining 5 different strategies, all those things. So in this video, basically I'm targeting those people who already know that they want to do Amazon FBA. Here I'm not targeting completely broad people. So obviously the people clicking this particular video, they will be already having a goal in their mind that they want to start Amazon FBA. And I am giving 5 strategies. And in this video, I'll basically give them credibility and authority. I'll build myself credibility and authority by explaining the strategies, by explaining my achievements, how much sales I made, and also how much sales my clients made. Explaining those different strategies, they will basically get a confirmation, okay, this is the guy that I have to go for. Whenever they will feel some confusion regarding or else if they want to learn any new strategies, they get that confirmation, okay, this is the guy, this is the, Ronald, I have to watch this guy's video to learn anything. So this gives a credibility, this gives a authority to me. And then in the end, which is M in BEM, which is mindset video, right? For example of that video, here you can see, is overthinking holding you back from starting your own business? So it might be related mindset or else productivity, because basically in this channel, for example of Amazon FBA, people want to start their own business, they want to become entrepreneur, right? What all problems an entrepreneur face, which is overthinking. That is what I have covered in this video, right? So with this video, we will be making deep emotional connection with our audience, and we will be turning them from just audience to our fans, right? If they become our fan, they will be definitely interested in buying our digital product. So that will be a main goal. So basically, if I want to tell, the broad content will be a top of funnel content, and educational content, mindset content will be bottom funnel content, where you actually give a call to action to your audience for your digital product, which may be your one-on-one coaching or else course. So views perspective, the broad content obviously will get you more and more sales, and obviously the broad content you have to keep making, so to bring your audience to your YouTube channel. And the educational content will get slightly less views because it will be niche down, and obviously the mindset related content will be getting very less views because it will be completely different from these videos, where you will be talking about your personal experiences, what all things you do to go through that particular problem. For example, in this video, I have explained about overthinking, right? I have explained about myself, what all problems I faced with overthinking, and what all best practices I did to get past that overthinking. So these are the 3 types of content which you should be targeting initially. And with these 3 topics in your mind, which is broad, educational, and mindset, you can make tons of videos on it covering different strategies and your personal experiences. And you can basically be consistent. You can be consistent on YouTube, because initially when you are getting started, being consistent and coming up with new ideas is very difficult. But this strategy, this BM strategy, is what basically helped me to continue with this YouTube channel. Like as you can already see here, I have loaded up with BM contents here, everything like broad, educational content, mindset content, which helps me to be consistent with my uploading schedule. So do you know 90% of YouTubers who, even after getting thousands of views and thousands of subscribers, still broke? And the main reason for that is they don't know how to optimize their description. And description is the place, the YouTube description is the place where you actually turn your audience into buyers, right? Because there you will be providing links for your landing page where your audience click and go there and end up booking a call with you or else making a purchase for your digital product. So me being an infopreneur from past 5 years, I'll explain you how you can optimize your description. First, let me show you what mistake most of the people do. See, a lot of people, what they do is they basically follow big YouTubers, right? Some YouTubers will be infopreneurs. Some people will be there just doing YouTube videos and just making money through sponsorship and ad revenue, right? Of course, they will be having their digital product, but that will not be their main income source. So of course, because they have big YouTube channel, millions of subscribers, and every single video they put, they will be getting more than 50,000 views, 100,000 views, even sometimes millions of views. So they will be making enough money from ad revenue itself. So that is why they basically, what they do is, in their description they will be providing tons of links, affiliate links, what camera they will use, or also what books they read, different tons of links, the sponsorship links and all. And same thing, new YouTubers also do, who have a goal basically to make money from their digital product, not by getting views. So this is very confusing. For example, there is this guy called Ishan Sharma, right? If you don't know, he has around 1.7 million views. Nothing against this guy. He makes good videos, like viral videos. Most of his video get tons of views, millions of views basically. He makes content related AI, digital marketing and all. So if you see his description, description. He has mentioned a lot of things. He has mentioned his Instagram. Of course, time chapters, everyone has to include it, if you, especially if you are doing a deep dive video. But if you see here, if you scroll his video, again, Twitter link, LinkedIn link, everything about him. Everything, every social media platform he has given the link. 3 books you should read. What basically devices that he use: MacBook, monitor, Sony Z1. There are like 10-15 links here. So if you are starting out your YouTube channel and if you want to make money through your digital product, this is what you have to avoid. You should not provide any affiliate links. All you have to do is you have to provide a link for your digital product itself. And if you do like this will remove your credibility. People literally get confused when they click on your people literally get confused when they click on your description, and moreover you will lose your credibility as well. So people think that this guy is making money from affiliate, not by his digital product, and he's not credible basically. And also one more thing is, they will get confused which link to click. But if you see big guys who are actually making money from their digital product, they will be having 1 or 2 links, and in most cases 3 links, maximum 3 links. So that is what I did also. So if you see my other YouTube channel, so basically I provide 3 links. One is basically my landing page where people can book a call with me, and we see if they are right client or not, and basically the sales process happens there. And apart from that, one is lead magnet, where it is something like we provide freebies. Here in this case, we have given them a product which is a digital product, a software tool to do product research, and there we have given 10 searches for free. So because of the 10 searches, they will click and download that software, and through which we will collect their leads like name, mobile number, email ID and all, through which we can follow up. And apart from that, we have a 1 hour consultation call, which is again a paid program. So apart from that, no other link. If you see big guys like even Charlie Morgan here, so he provides just basically one link, where it will be a landing page where audience can go there. There will be a calendar where the availability time will be there, and they can book a call with them. So that is what you have to do. You have to avoid all the affiliate links, everything. You just have to go with 1, 2 or maximum 3 links, which will be genuinely useful for your audience and easy for your audience as well to access your digital product. See, the whole game of YouTube is turning your audience into buyers, and there is a 3-step process to effectively do it, and also a important YouTube analytics that we have to look for, especially starting out. So which is what I have explained in this video. You can click here and check out. And if you want to start your business with YouTube, getting tons of leads and sales for your digital product, you can book a call with me. The link is in the description. So as always, stay focused.